Alright guys, we got the Honda Accord and we got the PCV valve. Again, there's a part number here, V567 right there. Alright, the PCV valve is located right here, this little red thing right here. Let me pick up the camera so we can see better. Alright, PCV valve is right there and it has a number 10 there, right? So it should be a quick 10-minute job. Alright guys, so all we're gonna do here is you're gonna need a number 10 with the ratchet and a swivel probably. And all you do is from the back end over here, you're gonna reach that bolt, right? And you're gonna loosen that bolt, all right? Once it's loose, you no longer need the tools, all right? And you should be able to turn that PCV valve bolt out of there, all right? Simple as that, all right? There it is. All right, next, what you're gonna do is you can turn this PCV valve and it should just come right out, right? And you can lift it up this way. Simple, all right? There's the PCV valve, and let me take out the new one out of the box. There it is. All right, they're the same part number. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little bit of oil. You're gonna put it over here, all right? Let me get some oil. So here it is. A little bit of oil here and a little bit of oil right there, right? On both of these seals. What that's gonna do is it's gonna let the PCV valve seal slick in there better. So from the bottom, it's more easier from the bottom if you slide it. And what you're gonna do is, bring my camera over, all right? So you take that PCV valve and you push it right in, all right? It's gonna click right in just like that. After that, you're gonna take your bolt. This is the bolt, guys. This should be no more than 10-minute job. All right, sometimes that bolt or PCV valve can get stuck. Then it's a different story. But this car is fairly new, you know. And I did a valve cover gasket on this, my friend Sandy's car. So, and I showed you the inside of this on that video, what it looked like, how the mechanism works. There's a small little hose back there. So again, you're gonna take your number 10 with the swivel and a socket, and you're gonna gently just tighten that bolt, alright guys? So that's it, hand tight, alright? There you go. Simple 10-minute job, guys, alright? So we have the PCV valve in there installed. Alright guys, if you need help, if you have any questions, you can message me about the valve cover gasket I did. And when you're done with this job, you could spray this down with some type of cleaner. All this should come off, or take it to a car wash. They could do a steam wash, power wash, whatever, you know. That's not my suggestion to do, put water on this, but all right. And remember that bolt I dropped? I picked that up and I did fix this little guy right here, and I got the bolt there. All right guys, and thank you for watching my videos, guys, and do subscribe. If you need help, please message me. All right, again, that was a PCV valve job. A lot of time Honda say it burns oil, but there you go. If you need to change it, you change it, guys. All right, and after this, just test the car, start up the car. Even when I did the valve gasket, you could let the car run and you should see if there's any leaks. Just look around, let the car run for 10-15 minutes. All right guys, thank you for watching. Again, subscribe and share with your friends and like all of my videos. Bye bye.